How to download your data from Google Chrome. Downloading your browsing data from Google Chrome is quick and simple. I'll guide you through the process. First, open a web browser on any device and visit takeout.google.com. Ensure you're logged into the Google account linked to your Chrome data. Next, scroll down and find Chrome in the list of Google services. By default, everything is selected, but you can click All Chrome Data Included to choose specific data types like bookmarks, browsing history, or saved passwords. Once you've made your selections, click OK. Now scroll down and click Next Step. Choose how you want to receive your data, either via a download link or by saving it to Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Then select the file format zip or TGZ and set the maximum file size. If your data exceeds the limit, e.g. 2 to 4 gigabytes, Google will split it into multiple files. Finally, click Create Export. The process can take a few minutes to several hours, depending on the amount of data. Once it's ready, you'll get a notification and can download all your Chrome data onto your computer or another device.